And happy Tuesday, everybody. Good to see you all. Grant, Mike, everybody on social. Thank you very much for being here. Looks like we're having a nice little pop on this GMM. Actually, I'm actually pretty more excited about one swing trade that we did. Did you guys see Eli Lilly moving up pretty nicely? They beat earnings, had earnings that came out today. Remember, it's big week this week. A lot of big earnings came out, up $35. I was this close on selling that stock. One of our big winners back in August, 450 up to 800. They're doing unbelievable on the Zepbound weight loss drug that they're doing. It's a multi-billion-dollar business, but it's got this major kryptonite at 800. There's a big iceberg order out there. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But before we get started and start looking at all those stocks that are moving today, let's go over a couple of stocks that are moving that did move yesterday. We did really, really well. We did send out a bulk email yesterday, and we did really well with Tesla. So I don't know if anyone, I got some good responses back. I will reply back to all of you. I actually made a quick pre-market video on it on YouTube. So if you're watching on social media on YouTube, make sure you like our channel, friend us, ring that bell so you can get our alerts, and also share us. We're also on all the other social networks like TikTok and Instagram. But that was a really, really big move. You could see that the stock literally in April, they had earnings announcements that came out. It wasn't as bad as they thought it was. I actually did another video on that one too. Actually, you know what? Why not, right? Let me just show you guys really quick where I'm going with this. Let me go to our YouTube channel. I did a couple of good little shorts out here. Let me get it for you. Let me go to my channel and so over here. So here's our channel, everybody. And once again, right here where it says shorts, I want you to click there. And these are the latest shorts up here on top. You could go like latest, popular, oldest. So this was the one from yesterday with the pre-market. It was a quick video. And then I did another one right here where it beat earnings right there. That was another popular one. So that one started picking up some momentum. And then obviously that one was the one from yesterday. I was talking a little bit about really quick about what made that big move. Once again, make sure you look at the video, like it, leave a comment, and so on. But make sure you are watching those videos. I do them every day of what we've done. And, a couple of little tips of, you're always going to get a tip of it. All right. So anyway, that one did unbelievable too. So Tesla did fabulous. I know some of you guys gave me a good reply back. I'm looking forward to answer you all back. But you know what? A lot of people did not realize that Tesla had a ETF. And I know that a lot of us can't afford that expensive one, trade Tesla, but you could have traded TSLL. It traded almost to the second of how Tesla trades. The only disadvantage one versus the other is that one is a lot easier to read, which you need to use level 4, and the other one you can't. Okay. And we do cover that in class, which by the way, tomorrow is start of phase 3 classes. And I will go over that with you. Now, a couple other stocks that also move pretty quick because I want to, eat up too much of our time. We got to get ready before the market opens up. NULN was blew, Tesla away when it comes to percentage wise. This stock right here was on the watch list. Okay. And I liked it. It had a good move early. And then all of a sudden the stock made a big move. Now this stock, we talked about it several times yesterday in pre-market. This stock did reverse stock split, another reverse stock split. Stock was at 400,000. It wasn't. That's well when you factor in all the reverse stock splits. But it has been making a very nice comeback. This stock is looking like it's starting to be more of a swing trade. Okay. It was the number one stock on the watch list yesterday. And you know what? I'll bring it up here again for some of you that didn't miss it. And hold on right here. This was the watch list from yesterday, right? Where are we? Bring it up here. Josh brought that up yesterday. Here we go. This is the watch list from yesterday here for everybody that's in here on social media. That was from yesterday at 9:15. I'm going to bring it up over here for you, all of you here in the Cyber Group room. That was it. You could see that was the stock right there. Nice little move. It didn't start picking up good momentum until the afternoon. So the afternoon is where we had that really, really nice move. Morning, not so much. But the afternoon, it was absolutely fabulous. Big run right there at 3 o'clock. You could see it ran from 470 all the way to a whopping, $6 and an after hours, and just looking pretty strong. Stock's back on the watch list. Okay. I'm actually going to consider doing a swing trade on it now. MULN. That's it's something that's always we got to look for. That's how you convert swing trades to option trades. Everyone's always saying, I don't like day trading, it's too fast, this and that. No, this is the Marines. We are the Marines. You want to be the Air Force. I mean, it's like the status, the big machinery and stuff like that. But we know what's happening because we're the first one in. And then that's how you plan and plot. Okay, now that's how you make a swing trade. Big mistake that most people make. All right. Another stock that's on the watch list that we traded yesterday, HWH was another one. Nice little cheap, slow moving stock. That one moved pretty well. IBRX. Once again, I'm just going over some of the quick little reviews, some of the people that were missed. That one had a nice mover from $8 to $10.50. LICN was also a nice little slow mover. Very, very cheap, stock right there. Coin obviously took a very, very big hit yesterday due to Bitcoin coming down pretty hard. CLSK, all of them stock really starting to reverse course here. Listen, you had a big run in Bitcoin. That was also on the watch lists. That's also on my shorts. We talked a lot about those, even on the long-term ones. Watch those videos, everybody. Once again, and the goal is if you're watching on social media, you got the phone, scan the damn QR code in the top left-hand corner, get in the damn Cyber Group room. We're trading here live all day long because these are the things that we cover. All right. Now, let's go through the watch list. The biggest mover right now, what's going on, unbelievable right now, is GMM. All right. So GMM, I'm getting big, big, big block orders that are getting done. I'll show you really quick right here on level 4. We're getting a really nice push. It came out right around 8:30, started moving up pretty high right here. Very inexpensive stock. I'm not seeing any sellers out there, so I'm not seeing any resistance. When you go back on the long-term trade, you could see that this stock been taking a very, very big hit since the beginning of beginning of the year, and went from 12 down to $1, broke all, actually way down to 90 cents, but she's moving up pretty nicely. She might be filling up this gap right here and could test all the way up in these $2 price range. So GMM, let's call it gum, right? A nice little mover right there. CYCC, I had this one moved up pretty decently in the after hours, but she kind of like crapped out right here. There was a big order that showed up around 850 for about 26,000 shares. Looked like he canceled his order. I'll put this on the B list. All right. Put this on the B list, even though it's number 2 on the list. There's MULN moving up pretty nicely, testing yesterday's highs, after hours highs, looking pretty good. BRTX, another one right here. A lot of big buying going on right now at $1.45. Okay, we got a lot of orders out there, 59,000, 15,000, a lot of support levels right there, which is right around here that I'm seeing it. No, I'm sorry, right here. That's where the orders are. So it started downtrending since about 8 o'clock. We'll put that on the B list. BRTX. Lily, I'm going to put on the watch list. Got to throw them there. We got to put a brand name in there once in a while. MRIN, even though it's on a big percentage gainers, up 28%. Good volume. On a downtrend. Looks like they came out with good earnings after hours. That's what we're looking at right there. Wiggles not looking too good. No good volatility on these stocks right here. We're at 13%. This one just got a quick pop out of nowhere. This one just moved right now. AGBA. Let's go check out the orders. See who's buying it, right? It's always what we got to look for. Let's see who's buying the stock. All right. A lot of big iceberg orders right around 3 o'clock, which is like $3 right there. See that, everybody? 15,000. He just showed up. So we'll keep an eye on that one right there. What else we got going on over here? All right. Oh, Eli Lilly. I want to bring this up over here. You see the big order out there at 800? Yeah, right there. So that's how I've been about kryptonite right there. A lot of big orders. Remember the stock, even though it's 2,500 and 1,000, you're talking $800. Okay. You're talking, you know, a lot of money right there. All right. And remember, it is pre-market. Losers. Any good shorts going on right now? Any dead cat bounces? We know why Lincoln's on there. Not really. All right, New York Stock Exchange. What do we got going on over here? Probably nothing. Ooh, look at that. Is that Lumber Liquidators? Haven't seen that stock in a while. Would it beat earnings after hours? Blink, BLND. That one had a nice push. Another earnings announcements play. Was that GDX? That one, that's that buyout that was from yesterday. You saw that one. Yeah, these are all earnings. 3M. There's Lilly. Looking pretty good. Med's not doing too good. Could be a good short on that one. I like that. That one keeps breaking lower lows. Not good earnings right there and breaking all-time lows. Not bad. CHGG, we traded that stock in before. My God, I went back to these stocks, man. I haven't seen these things down so much. Wow, a lot of good shorts right here. This one right here, too. STLA keeps breaking lower lows. Wow, it looks like a good short day, huh? All right. So market's down. What are we down? 157 because something about with some news came out, numbers came out on employment or something like that. I think I missed. They're hurting the back of my ear. All right. So not a couple of brand name stocks, a lot of big earnings that are going on right now this week. We'll see what happens after hours. We will trade after hours, but pretty decent list, you know. Listen, we only need one. And the GMM's moving up pretty good. And not the MR, what I'm saying, the MUL, and where'd it go? Right here, MULN. Now, just be careful of this stock right here because I talked about this yesterday. And remember, today is Traders Talk. We're going to be back again live at 11 o'clock. We will broadcasting live in social media too. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get those alerts. But when it comes to these stocks right here, just this one specifically, because it did so many stock splits, it does have a very big spread. Okay. It can get quite ugly. So just because you think you could afford it and think it's $6, listen, don't underestimate these things because it's volatility you got to be careful of. So just a quick little tip of the day. Let's get ready for the market open up. We'll be back in 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, one more time, take your phone, scan the QR code. We're going to be here. You can join our trading room. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We will be back again at 11 o'clock doing Traders Talk for one whole hour. And for everybody here, if you're new to Cyber Trade University, just look, listen, and learn. And cyber traders, you know the deal. You see something, you say something. So let's go. Let's get ready for the market opened up. Good luck, everybody. See you in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere.